The inside of this is really cool, but still not nearly as cool as Tower of Terror.
Raise your hands
got
for
it.
security clearance.
Oh my gosh, we're doing it 2 times.
And presto, the doors open for you. I now present
Oh,
you
we got it that time.
Tanator Von's private office.
My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll leave a mark.
You are now standing in my private office,
I know.
where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every piece that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy. Let's mute this guy. Hearing your incessant blathering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! What was... That was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Huh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it.
It's funny how it's like Tower of Terror, but they just added a bunch of LCD screens and some lighting up in here.
Just retrofitted.
Sure, that is an octopus from 2,000 Leagues Under the Sea, and that Yeti's from something here. Maybe the Matterhorn? I'll have to look it up later. If anybody knows, leave a comment below.
For your safety once on board, please remain seated, with your restraints securely fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet and legs inside the gantry lift at all times. And please watch your Terran children. Thank you. The clearance. Scan complete. You may now enter the gantry lift.
Row 2, middle right-hand side. Row 5, middle left-hand side. Row 1, middle right-hand side. Follow again, middle left-hand side.
Dear friends, this is the moment you have been waiting for.
Rocket, I'm push you and start things rocking. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's go.
If I get us another one of these later, I will.
Yeah, that's cool. There we are. Oh, you can get the jacket now. It's fancy.
Ooh, feels good in here.
There's Groot.
So we just got off Guardians of the Galaxy Mission Breakout, and it is a really good ride. I mean, I love those drop tower type rides, and I know this is going to be a very, very unpopular opinion. I still like the theming of Tower of Terror better.
I think the one in Florida's better. The drops are better than this one.
Yes.
Yeah.
What I will say though is we were here pre-COVID at Halloween, and they changed the soundtrack a little bit, and that
awesome.
was amazing. I don't know if it was just the music going along with it. I think what my problem is with this ride, as opposed to the one in Florida, and opposed to any Tower of Terror, it drops
It
and
misses
then
the
it
little
stops,
pre-shows,
right? But
yeah.
not just that,
Yeah.
but like once you start dropping in Florida, it's just a continuous like sequence of ups
Yeah.
and downs and ups and downs. This one you go like down and then you stop and watch a scene, and then you shoot up and you stop and watch a scene. So it kind of interrupts the flow of the dropping and for my personal taste.
Yeah.
I know a lot of people like this better because they love Guardians of the Galaxy movie, and I do too. But the ride itself, I think, is better when it's Tower of Terror.
Well, and I know you love Tower of Terror. My favorite one's the one in Tokyo, and that's the one I think they should retheme all of them to.
I disagree.
Yeah, that one's amazing.
I mean, I liked it.
And
was
it goes
fun.
really good with the Explorers League thing.
I mean, I liked the Tower of Terror in Tokyo. I had no problem with it, but I just have a nostalgic place in my heart for the one in Florida. And since that was the first one, it's also a little bit different. Like the ride is different because it doesn't load as many people. They change the mechanisms once they figure that out. But this is still good. It's still really good, and you should ride it. The soundtrack is amazing. We happened to get an Elvis song, which was amazing. So that part's good too, but the ride does get disrupted by the constant stopping to watch the scenes, at least for my money. So, but still, it's a great ride.
It's a great ride.
And I will still try to get us on it again later. So
it's still one of the best drop towers in the whole world.
I would agree with that.
Yeah.